Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. All along, you were thinking that crypto is a scam, but then you saw this. You are feeling a bit of FOMO until you saw this. You are super FOMO now, but you don't know how to invest in crypto. Then you saw this. According to a report by Gemini, Seedly and CoinMarketCap, it was found that about 33% of Singaporeans do not invest in crypto, mainly because of lack of knowledge and understanding. Some feel that cryptos is super volatile, others feel that it's too risky. So in this video, I will tell you everything you need to know to start investing in crypto. Stuff like what's actually crypto? Is investing in crypto risky? Then I will tell you how to buy crypto, how many percent of your portfolio should be in crypto, where should you keep it, all the good stuff. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button because it will help out with the channel a lot. In return, I will show you a cute Shiba Inu. Alright, let's not waste any time and let's start right now. Before I talk about crypto, I want to make a quick disclaimer. Crypto is obviously a very risky investment and there's a chance that you will lose everything if you anyhow invest. So this video is definitely not financial advice and is only for entertainment purposes only, yeah? With that being said, let's continue. So what's cryptocurrency? Basically, crypto is just a digital currency. You can see it, but you cannot touch it. Sort of like the 小笼包 at the Din Tai Fung window. You can see them making 小笼包, but you cannot touch it. Something like that. But here's a very special thing about crypto. It is decentralized. I'm sure some of you will be like, huh? What? Decentralized? Can eat one nah? Let me try to give you an example. So this is our Singapore dollars, right? Guess who issues the Singapore dollar? No, it's not your boss, even though it's your boss who pays you money. The Singapore dollar is actually issued by MAS. So MAS actually controls the Singapore dollar. If suddenly tomorrow MAS say, let's print more money until it looks like we have the infinite money cheat code, our Singapore dollars will go down so much until SGD1 equals RM3 becomes RM1 equals SGD3. True story, that won't happen in Singapore, hopefully. But this is actually happening in some third world countries. For example, Venezuela and Sudan, where the inflation rate looks like it's trying to compete with GameStop and AMC. So that's centralization, where the currency is controlled by the government. On the other hand, crypto is decentralized, meaning that there's no one controlling it. Instead, it's managed by a network of crypto miners. There are a lot of benefits to this. The most obvious one is that your crypto won't go down in value just because the government decides to happy print money. Another benefit is lower transaction fees and faster transfers. If you want to send your money overseas through the bank will first eat up a bit of your money through commissions and currency exchange rate. On top of that, it takes like 2 to 4 working days for the money to arrive. But for cryptos, the transfer fee is super low. For example, Binance charges about $8 flat if you transfer BUSD via ERC20 network. Meanwhile, Gemini don't even charge any fee to transfer your crypto. And also the transfer will arrive within a few minutes. So you don't have to wait super long for your crypto to arrive. Another benefit is that crypto is globally accepted. Like, you can transfer your crypto from Singapore to someone in Iceland. Super easy, barely an inconvenience. There are a lot more benefits like better privacy, the government cannot come and just take away your crypto, and so on. Speaking of cryptos, if you want free Bitcoin, I have a super good lobang for you. Right now, SingSaver has partnered with Seedly to run a credit card promotion. If you sign up for an American Express through cashback card using my link down below, then spend $500 within 30 days, you'll receive $265 worth of Bitcoin. On top of that, if you are the first 2,000 people who have signed up, you'll be getting extra $100 worth of Bitcoin. This deal is valid till 10 October. Some quick info about the card. You will get 3% cashback up to $150 for the first 6 months, which is really high to be honest. After that, you will be 1.5% cashback. So if you want some free Bitcoin, go sign up with my link down below. Alright, let's get back to the video. So now, you roughly know what's crypto. If you look back at the survey, the second reason people don't invest in crypto is because it is volatile. Like, super volatile. If Tesla drops 4%, everyone will be like, wow, wow, wow. And the news will go on the front page. Meanwhile, crypto drops 4% and be like, first time? If you check the Bitcoin chart, which is one of the less volatile cryptos out there, in just 1 year, it is going up and down like 10-20% every other week. However, our investors found that crypto has become less and less volatile over the years. In the past, the volatility of Bitcoin used to go past 10%, but now it's only like 7 to 8%. The reason is simple. More and more people are starting to believe in Bitcoin. For example, companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, Square hold Bitcoin in their balance sheet to hedge against inflation. El Salvador makes Bitcoin legal tender. And more people are holding onto Bitcoin instead of trading it. The next reason people don't invest into cryptos is because they feel that cryptos are risky. They feel that crypto don't have intrinsic value, or crypto could possibly go down to zero. That's true, but only for lousy cryptos. Crypto is like stocks. There are good ones and there are bad ones. First read. If you invest in some weird cryptos like this or this, then of course they are risky, because they don't serve any purpose other than to let people to speculate and hoard big. But good cryptos have a much lower risk because they have a purpose. For example, Bitcoin was created to let people send money over the internet as well as store of value. Then maybe you press X to doubt and be like, sure not, maybe next time Bitcoin will be replaced by some other crypto like Dogecoin leh? That won't happen so easily because of network effect. For example, most of us use Facebook because our friends also use Facebook. You won't suddenly say, hey, what's your Friendster account? I add you there. That won't happen because no one is using Friendster now. That's the same thing. Bitcoin is widely accepted, and because Bitcoin is so popular, it won't be easy to replace Bitcoin, and thus cryptos like Bitcoin have a much lower risk. Okay, now you'll be like, great, I want to invest in crypto. Probably, which crypto is the best? Which one will make me hoard big? Personally, I don't know. If I know, this channel would be called Kelvin Crypto Guru already. But I can give you a tip on which crypto to start with. If you check the stocks, you will notice that good stocks tend to have higher market cap, because the higher the market cap is, the more valuable the stock is. So this is the same with cryptos. There's a website called CoinMarketCap. Here you can see a lot of cryptos. But if you want to choose the top cryptos, you can sort by market cap. You can see that the top 3 cryptos are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. So this means these 3 cryptos are currently more valuable compared to the rest. Each of these cryptos have their own story and purpose. For example, Bitcoin lets people send money around and also store of value. Think of it like digital gold. And judging by how more and more people are holding Bitcoin, Bitcoin is achieving that goal. Second in place is Ethereum. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin because you can actually code on it. Trust me, I'm a programmer. Just go YouTube and you'll find all the Ethereum programming tutorials. So Ethereum was created to allow developers to build and publish programs and applications. For example, DAI, another crypto, was built on the Ethereum. Or digital art called NFTs were created on the Ethereum too. Or Axie Infinity, the latest game which lets you earn crypto, has Ethereum technology also. Third on the list is Cardano. Cardano is like Ethereum but better. It is much more energy efficient than Ethereum because of proof of stake system, which I will not go into this because it's a whole topic on its own. Cardano has a much faster transfer speed and lower transfer fee compared to Ethereum. And unlike Ethereum, which has unlimited supply, Cardano has a fixed supply at 45 billion. If you want to find out more about each cryptos, you can click into the crypto to see their story, which is super duper useful. So now you roughly know which crypto you could possibly start with. I will quickly tell you how to invest in it. There are a lot of crypto exchanges in Singapore like Binance.com, Binance SG, Gemini, Crypto.com to name a few. It's like McDonald's burger, KFC burger, Ramly burger. All of them are burgers, but they only taste a bit different. Same for crypto exchanges. If you're buying just a small amount, they don't really have much difference in terms of fee. But if you are a beginner, I think that Binance SG is the easiest to use. The downside is that it only has a few cryptos and don't have Cardano or Dogecoin. If you need an exchange that has a lot of features and support a lot of cryptos, then you can use Binance.com. But they don't allow you to fund with SGD, so it's a little bit not so straightforward to use. Anyway, I have a bunch of tutorials on how to use these exchanges, so you can check them out if you are interested. As for how much of your portfolios should be in cryptos, according to the study, most people have less than 5% of crypto in their portfolio. And different experts will suggest different numbers. Some say 2 to 5%, some say 1 to 4%, some say up to 1%. But there's one common advice among all of them. You should own some cryptos, but not too much. Anywhere below 5% should be alright. If it's too much, then your portfolio will fluctuate very wildly and it will be bad for your health. Personally, my risk appetite is slightly higher, so I have about 10% in cryptos. Okay, after you have bought your cryptos, there's a few places you can keep it. The first one is obviously to let it sit in your crypto exchange and do nothing, like a lazy bum bum. Second, you can transfer it to another account to earn interest. For example, in Binance.com, there's Binance Earn. The interest for Bitcoin in Binance.com is super low at only 0.5%. But for Cardano, if you keep in there for 60 days, you can earn 7.79% interest. If you transfer your Bitcoin and Ethereum to Hodlnaut, you can earn a high interest on it. However, there's risk of keeping your crypto online. First, the exchange could get hacked and your cryptos will get stolen. For example, Binance was hacked in 2019 and the hackers stole $40 million worth of crypto. Luckily, Binance was able to refund the users. Second, the platforms can just close shop or take your cryptos and run away, and you cannot do anything about it. MAS has already made it clear that they won't help you if anything happens to the exchange or your cryptos. They'll be like, you lose your money in crypto or be good So, those were the risks of keeping your cryptos in online platforms. If you don't want to have this risk, then you can transfer your crypto to something called cold storage. No, not the cold storage where atas people buy broccoli, but this cold storage. This device is Ledger Nano S, which looks like a USB thumb drive, and because this device is not connected to the internet, the hackers cannot hack it and steal your cryptos. So, do you want to keep your cryptos online to earn some interest, or do you prefer to transfer your crypto offline and keep it safe? It totally depends on your risk appetite. Personally, I keep my Bitcoin and Ethereum in Hodlnaut because they give a high interest, and Cardano in Binance. All in all, you need to remember that investing in crypto is much riskier than investing in stocks. So, only invest what you can afford to lose, yeah? And that's all for today. Are you planning to invest into crypto? Let me know down below. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.